Hello, new plant parents. How's the new journey going? Enjoying your new baby? I'm sure it's as good a feeling as having your own babies. The first time you water it, the first new leaf it comes out of it, it gives such a relaxing and a good feeling that you start getting into it more about it. And that's where, they say that जब पहली बार आप के बच्चे होते हैं, you start realizing how peaceful it is to have babies around. I think plants gets the similar experience to all of us. So guys, I think you must have bought your first plant and that's why you're watching this episode. So let me just take you to a quick journey and talk about the next few steps on this episodes, where we'll talk about what next we should do if you have just become a plant parent and what are the important steps required to it. But before you do this, do subscribe to the channel below. A lot of you guys have not subscribed and that's why you don't get the updates. So if you want to keep getting update or if you miss any of the updates, just get the subscribe button below so that keep getting regular updates about how to be a pro gardener and what are the new things you should do to become if you're just starting up gardening. So guys, here we are where you have got your first plant. And I'm sure you're taking care about it and you have read all the tutorials. Let me just take you to the next 3 steps which you should do if you want to extend this experience or not. So the first thing is start developing the interest on reading on that category. Whenever we sort of have pets at home or whenever we have babies born, we read about how to change the diapers, how to get the first food, how to what temperature your water should be, what sort of clothing you should have. And I think that reading makes up a pro. So the first thing you should do about is read more about this. In my last episodes also I talked about that you should read more about the plant which you have bought, but if you haven't yet done it and you don't know where to do it, just go to the plant care section category in My Plant My Baby or to the Plantopedia section and choose that plant which you have sort of bought it and just watch those videos about it. It talks about everything in terms of watering, in terms of feeding, in terms of what soil to be done, how to feed it, what should be the placement of your plant. So you get to know more about that plant, and so if you have done that, if you have read about it, it's good because it will make you more confident on how to take care of that. So that should be your first step after you have bought it and it's been some time that you're taking care of it. So you become a more pro on that plant and you start to learn how that plant reacts, to water, to sunlight, to feeding, what sort of things not to be done when you are growing your first baby. And in case you have any other query which you are still not able to get it, don't worry, just write into the comments below and we'll try and answer each one of us separately. In case we are not able to, I'll definitely make a video on that so that it reaches out to all of you and your problem has been solved. So the first step you should do is read more about it, read about that plant into more details. The second step you should do after this is join a community in your network, in your society, in your friend circle. So there are a lot of these WhatsApp groups where people keep talking about their plants. And what this helps you is this gets to know what are the small tips and tricks which a lot of pro gardeners do, which you are not doing it, and you learn from those things, and it's always good to be with the like-minded people. It's like, when we don't have a baby, we like to go out to the night parties, but when we get babies, we try to sit into parties where there are more parents around because the conversation is about that. So that's very important that you become a part of some community which talks about similar stuff. This way you learn to grow more and learn the tips and tricks of this hobby. So that's the second part, that you should join a community and start putting your questions around. You can also join a My Plant My Baby community. Keep questioning whatever doubts you have so that we can answer and the community can answer about it. The third important step as you go and start becoming into it is you need to now start looking at what should be your second plant or the second product. Now, what you should do is and look about it is, if any of the 5 plants which you chose and you're buying it, if you like it and you think that it's also doing the air purifying or it's doing the decor feature for you, you can buy the second plant in that in the 5 list. But if you realize that you want to try something which is also outdoor or something which is going it from seed, the second thing you should do is to either go and buy this or look at buying some gardening kit or seed packets. Now that's again a whole new exercise and has lot of pros and cons, and you have to read also about it. So you should read that what should be my second plant or stage into it. In case you want to go into outdoor, read about gardening kits, what are the seeds which you should buy in this season. So for example, right now it's in winter, you should either do the winter crops or wait for some more time, and by the time you have Feb, you should start putting the spring or the summer seeds around. So if you're sowing seeds, you should be very cautious that what seasons you are putting in. If you're putting a winter seed or a summer season, they will not grow and they will not sprout despite all your care. So the best thing to do it is, and I always recommend, is to buy some gardening kit. So we have one gardening kit. You can look at that. In case you don't want to spend that much amount in the first go, you can just buy the seeds and read on the instructions about it. Now there are these winter seeds which I talked about in some of the earlier episodes, which I have put into the section below also, that what are these 12 seeds you should have in winters, and you can have any of these 12 seeds from any of the garden centers again to look at it. So this is the second part of the story, is that you need to be very decisive on what should the next plant or the next product you should buy. Ideally, if you ask me, I should recommend that you should buy the second plant also in this, so that you have 2 or 3 plants first for indoors, and you become more confident, you have learned the habit of watering, etc., before you go into growing your own food or experimenting with seeds also. But if you are confident, or if you have bought first 3 plants, then you should definitely go into the seeds. Start with the winter seeds. It's winter season right now. All the procedures and how to grow them are again listed into the Seeds of Life category, which we have, where we talk only about seeds and how we can grow our own food using seeds at home. So hopefully this helps you and get you to the second stage of your gardening journey. Keep letting us know how you finding these episodes. In case anything you want me to add up, any specific topic which I haven't covered, or you're still confused, let me know what your confusion is, and we'll try and solve all your confusions in the next episodes. So thank you for watching for My Plant My Baby. Keep growing healthier and bushier babies, and soon you will become a pro gardener. Bye-bye.